Hi friends, welcome to my live class. Today I have brought here one word problems which is related to the cube root, okay? Okay, today's question, look, I have displayed here. According to this question, if 14,824 cricket balls of diameter in 7 centimeter each are contained in the cubical container tightly, find the length, okay? Find the length of the container. This is the question. Here is mainly the word which is given here tightly, okay? That cubical container. Suppose look here, I am showing here. Okay, one like this, look here. I want to make here one cubical container, one example, small, the size, it will be in small size, okay? Just as the example only I'm taking here. This is, suppose this is one cubical container, right? Okay, and in this just taken as example. This is one cubical container, right? And in this cubical container, okay, they are kept, looks around here, the cricket balls are kept here, okay? Here, we know that is length, this is breadth, okay? And this is height. These all are equal because this is the cubical container. And in this cubical container, okay, there are kept cubic, this one, look here. In this cubical container, there are kept, see here, cricket balls are kept, okay? There are kept cubicle, this in this cubical container, there are kept cricket balls, okay? Cricket balls are kept here like this, okay? So many cubicle, this no, in this cubicle box, so many cricket balls are kept here, okay? That means look at the number of cricket balls are given there 13,824. Okay, there are kept here. Okay, cricket balls are kept here. Okay, 14,000. These cricket balls are kept here. Okay, there are kept so many cricket balls. That means look at it is given number 13,824. Okay, inside this there are kept okay 13,000 like this right. These 13,824 cricket balls are kept inside this cubicle container. Okay, and these balls are kept so tightly. Okay, so that there will no gap in. These balls are kept so tightly. Okay, so that there is no gapping. Okay, there is no gapping between this. Okay, two cricket balls. Okay, they are kept so tightly so that we cannot see there any gap. This is the very important part. Okay, this one, this cubicle container tightly given there. This word is very important here. Okay, these balls are kept so tightly here so that there will no gapping. Okay, between the cricket ball there is no gap. They are kept so tightly so that there will no gap between these two cricket balls. Okay, they are kept so tightly here. Okay, like this. In this cubicle box, okay, there are kept 14,824 cricket balls. Okay, like this, these balls are kept so tightly here so that there is no gap. I am repeating the word. These balls are kept so tightly. Okay, like this, like this. This is just I am showing example here. Okay, like this, balls are kept. So all the cricket balls are kept inside this cubicle container. Okay, how many there? Look, 13,824 inside this. Okay, cubicle container. How many balls are kept here? They are kept 13,800, right? And 24. Okay, this was number of balls are kept here. Cricket balls are kept inside this cubicle container. Okay, they are kept so tightly so that there remains no gap between any two these balls. Okay, cricket balls. They are kept so tightly here. I am repeating these words. They are kept so tightly. So most tightly they are kept. Okay, they are all together inside this. Okay, inside this cubicle container. 14,824. Okay, that is so tightly they are kept here inside this cubicle tank. Okay, this tank or cubicle container, you can tell. They are kept so tightly inside this cubicle so that there remains no gap. Okay, right. This is the main point for this question. They are kept so tightly here. Cricket balls are kept inside this, right? They are kept so tightly so that there is no gap between any two cricket balls, right? like this. They are kept so tightly, like this. If it is kept here inside this cubicle box, okay, there is no gap between two cricket balls. Okay, they are kept so tightly, and altogether there are okay 14,824 cricket balls. They are kept so tightly here so that there is no gap between any two cricket balls inside this white cubicle container. Okay, children, this is the question. Look here. This is the question. Now, question is asking us if 13,824 cricket balls are kept so tightly inside this cubicle container, this one ball diameter is given there. Diameter of one ball, suppose one ball is like this, okay? I want to draw here. Like this, suppose if there is the cricket ball like this, cricket ball is the shape of this sphere, okay? This one, okay? Right? This is the shape of cricket ball, this one, okay? And from here to here in this diameter is given there, diameter is given there, diameter of one ball is given there, 7 centimeter, okay? One ball diameter is given there, 7 centimeter, okay? Right? The diameter of the one cricket ball is given there, 7 centimeter, right? This is the question, and it is asked that now here, find the length of the container. With the help of this, diameter of this one cricket ball, we need to find out the length of this container. We can tell it height also, length also, breadth also, because length, breadth, height of this container will be same because it is cubical in shape. It is cubical in shape, right? That's here's the one main important point is here. Look, children, in this solution, we should know first. Look here, the solution. Okay, in this solution, first of all, we should understand that, okay, here, number of balls, okay, number of cricket balls, you can write here, number of cricket balls, right here, okay, number of, number of cricket balls, number of cricket, number of cricket balls, right? Number of cricket balls equals to number of cricket balls equals to okay volume of the container. You have to write it volume of the container right here. Volume volume of the container. volume of the container. This is the main point. Volume of the container. Okay, container. Volume of the container. Okay, because these balls are kept so tightly, that's why how many balls are kept inside this cubical container. Okay, how many balls are kept inside this cubical container. Okay, that will be the volume of the number of cricket balls equals to volume of the cubical container. This one, volume of the container, right? This is the main point here. Okay, and then here's given number. So you have to write it. Now let's find out its factorization here. So then write here. Okay, okay, right here. Now right here 13,000, right? 13,824 right here. And let's factorize it. Okay, let's do prime factorization. Okay, children. See, its last one is even number. Let's try by 2. Okay, 2, 6, 0, right? 12, but here is 13, 1 remainder. Here goes 1. Okay, then it will be here 2, 9, 18. Then here 2 only, 2, 1, 2, right? And 2, 2, 4. Then now for the next one, okay, okay. Now again there is even number here, right? Then let's try again by 2, 2, 3, there will be 2, 3, 6, and here is 9, and 2, 4, 8, and here remain 1, remainder it goes here 1, it will be 11. Then here will be 2, 5, okay, 10, and 1 remainder it goes here, and it will be now 2, here will be 1, okay, remainder it goes here 1, and that will be here 2, 6, 12, okay, 2, 3, 6, 2, 4, 8, 1 remainder, 2, 5, 10, 1 remainder, and 2, 6, 12. Then now, so yesterday now let's draw line 1. Now let's factorize again this by 2. Let's divide it by 2, okay? 2 1s are 2, and here is remaining 1, and again goes here. It will be 14, right? And 2 7s are 14, and here will be, look, 2 2s are 4, and 1 remainder here 16. We not 2 8s are 16, right? Like this. Then now again there is in unit place there is even number, right? There is even number. Again let's factorize it by number 2, this one, okay? And we know 2 8s are 16, but here is 17, 1 remainder here goes, it will be okay. And what will be here now? It will be 12, right? And now 2 6 are, right here 2 6 are 12, and now 2 4 are will be here, right? 2 4 are 8. Now let's do here again the hairline Okay, now let's again factors by 2 here. 2 4s are here 8. Okay, 2 3s are 6, then 2 2s are 4, right? Now again let's draw here line. Okay, that is like this. Now again 2 by 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 to the 4, and 2 1s are 2, but here is remaining 1, one more, there will be 12. Now write it 2 6 are 12, right? Again draw a line. Right, and now 2 again, let's factorize by 2 this 2 1 the 2, right? And 1 is not divisible by 2, that's why 2 zeros are, and this zeros and 1 goes here 16, 2 8s are 2 8s is 16. Okay, then now again here let's draw the line here. Okay, like this, and write a 2 here. Okay, 2 5s are, write a 2 5s are 10, and 2 4s are 8. Okay, now again children, look here, draw a line, and let's factorize this again. Let's divide it. 2 2, okay, 2 the 2 to the 4, and 1 goes here, and 2 7 the 14, right? Now it is 27. Now 27 is not divisible by 2, that's why now we have to factorize this, okay, by 3. Right here 3, okay, 3 9 are right, okay, 3 9 are 27, and now again there is 9, then right here this 9 is divisible by 3, that's a 3 3 is a 3 is 9. Like this we factorize this number, okay children, like this we do here. Okay, we solve it like this. Okay, and now look here, for the solution what you have to do, look here, right here. Now what we need to do, look here, as I have told here, number of cricket balls equals to volume of the container, right? That's why, as we know, cricket balls is there 13,824. Now we are finding its cube root, right? Okay, here is given, as I have told you, number of cricket balls equals to volume of the container. Then if you write a volume, okay, volume equals to, we know, volume of the cubical container is L cube, okay. Then when you cancel this, okay, volume is there given, volume of the container and number of the cricket ball is equal. That's why right here, that is or. Then when you cancel the cube root in one side, here will come, okay, cube root, put here cube root, okay, we should mention at 3 in this corner, this order of this radical sign, okay, this corner one we have at 3, and it is 14,824. Okay, and it is coming here length. Okay, right now here length equals to, this will be volume equals to L cube, and we know length equals to cube with this one, and we got here, therefore here we can write here inside, we found already factor this one. Okay, and we can show here now cubic root. Okay, this is the cubic root. Okay, inside this now we have tried to, okay, 2 into 2 into 2, this is 2 cube, mention here 2 cube. Okay, okay, 2 cube into this is also next one, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 means that means also write at 2 cube, and this multiply. Okay, and again there is 2 into 2 into 2, this is 3. Okay, 3 times 2, that's why it will be here 2 cube here, right? And then there is last one, 3 into 3 into 3. Look there, this 3 into 3 into 3, that will be multiplied by now here 3 cube equals to, then there is length. Okay, now let's find out here, therefore what came here, this. Okay, L equals to coming this, L equals to, here is coming 2 into, okay, 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, then we got here 2 is a 4, 4 is a 8, 8 is a 24, right? It is given there. Look here, then length of the one ball. Okay, length of the one ball equals to diameter of the ball, you know, right? This is 24 now, coming 24, this volume equals to L cube, then we found here L equals to, then 24. When you find the cube root of this totally packed one, okay, tightly packed one, tank, this one, cubical container, we found its, right, length is there given 24, and it is a clearly given there, length of the one ball, length of the one ball. Okay, right here now, again, so there, again, again, length of the one ball. Okay, this one ball, huh? One ball, one ball is equals to, this is given, one ball is equals to given there, in this one we're keeping there one, this length is coming from here to here total, there's 24, right? One ball length is given there 7 centimeter, right here, length of the one ball is given there 7 centimeter. Okay, as we know, I have shown here diameter of the one ball is given there, this one. Okay, this one, this is the diameter of the one ball is 7 centimeter, that is 1 meter equals to 7 centimeter, one ball equals to 7 centimeter. Then we have got here, are kept in one side, there is kept how many balls there, 24. Okay, then right here 24 balls one ball equals to 7 centimeter long of length and 24 balls coming there. Right, this side one, there is kept 24 balls and 24 balls equals to what will be the length here? 7 into 7 multiplied by 24, right? Then answer comes here. This there are kept here. How many balls here in one side? One side there are kept 24 balls and one ball length is given 7 centimeter. Okay. Then 24 balls equals what will be? 7 in 24, 7 fours are 28. Okay. Look at about 7 to the 14 plus 2, 16. That means 168, right? And here is given the length of the container is coming there, 168 centimeter. This is our required answer of this question. Okay, children. This is the way to solve this question. Find out the cube root of this number of balls. Okay, we get 24. The 24 balls are kept here in each side here, in each side of this cubical container. Right, 24 balls are kept here. Right, 24 balls are kept here in each side. Then one ball equals to, that is given already. One ball length is given there. This the one ball diameter 7 centimeter. One ball length is coming there 7 centimeter. Okay, as I told you here, it is the ball, cricket ball. Okay, right, and right when you have this cricket ball one, this is suppose. Okay, and the length from this to this one, this is the diameter one, right? And like this ball, there is one ball equals 7 centimeter. This is given in question, and we got here 24 balls. 24 balls are kept in each side here, and 24 balls equals to 7 into 24. And when you multiply them, it will become 168 centimeter length of this cubical container. Okay, like this we solve this question. Okay, okay, so then like this we are solving such type of questions by using the cube root. I hope you understood it. If there is any problem, then you can also share. Okay, and today for this live class, this was only. Thank you very much. Keep watching my videos. If not, subscribe my channel, please. Subscribe, and you can share this with your friends also. Okay. Okay. Bye bye.